第3清机综合铸造事业部开锣。
This moment is where it begins and where we make our promise. 1600 Celsius molten iron is poured into a custom-engineered sand mold. The start of monolithic casting, no welded joints, no hidden risks. At its brightest, the molten iron speaks for itself. The heat fades. Strength remains. 12 hours of precision annealing to fully eliminate internal stress. 365 days of natural aging, allowing stability mature naturally. Precision thinner than a hair. Less than 0.02 millimeters. Built for whisper-quiet operation. JS machine. Through the art of industry, we forge reliability that lasts.